Today we're going to make some delicious blueberry Bisquick pancakes. Today we're going to need some canola oil, blueberries. We're going to need this to put it on a pan. We're going to need pure vanilla. We're going to need a pan which is already on the fire. And we need whole milk. We need 4 eggs to double up the recipe. Then we're going to need Bisquick. And then we're going to need this to make it straight. We're going to need 1 tablespoon and 1 cup. And then I don't know what this is for. And then a bowl and a stirring thing. This recipe is for 6 people. So we're going to take a cup. We're going to make 2. We're going to scoop up 2 cups, but we're doubling the recipe for 6 people, so it's going to be 4. So I'm going to scoop up. Then maybe I'm going to get it even. Then I'm going to take this, whatever it's called, and I'm going to make sure it's flat. That's enough. Now I'm going to put it in here. Now, how many do we have to do? 3. Now that we put 4 cups of Bisquick, we're going to put 2 cups of milk. Now we're going to mix it very well. Now we're going to put in 2 eggs, but we're going to double it up to 4, just like we did with the rest of the ingredients. Now I put a little bit of vanilla. Now we're going to put 1 tablespoon of canola oil in, but we're going to double it up to make it 2. Now we're going to mix all the ingredients in it. But it's not the last thing to do. You still got to put it on the stove. So now we're going to be at the stove. We're going to grab our bowl with the ingredients in it. We're going to grab Pam, which is for the pan. We're going to grab this to scoop this up and put it there. And we're going to grab this, you probably know why, to flip it over. So the first thing you do is very simple. Turn the stove on. Obviously, it could be the number 4 if you have numbers. Or number 3. Yeah, number 3 should work. Then we're going to shake this. We're going to open it. And we're going to spray some. Not bad. Maybe some get on the side so that doesn't stick. Now we're going to wait 2 minutes. Now we're going to get our blueberries, but we're not going to use them so yet. The next thing to do is to get our scoop ready and about to scoop a pancake on. Now we're just going to scoop them on here. Just 1 scoop. No scoop. Now we're going to put some blueberries. After 2 to 3 minutes, we can flip it. We are going to be doing multiple pancakes at a time, so that's easier and faster. Now we're going to flip. Yay! Did perfect. Now enjoy your delicious pancake with maple syrup, honey, or anything you want to put on it. I'm ready to eat. Please subscribe.